Good morning, my dear students. Myself Gyanen Singh. Today I teach you male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs. It is male reproductive organs. This is testis and penis. Testis, seminiferous vessels, epididymis, vasa differentia, Cowper gland, prostate gland, injugatory duct, urethra, penis, and glans penis. These are male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs in male of the testis. Testis is present out of abdominal cavity because of the temperature of testis lower than the body temperature. Why? The body temperatures sperm cannot elevate. So the temperature of the testis 2 or 3 degree lower than the body temperature, because the formation of sperm within the testis by the seminiferous tubules. Testis also produce a male hormones which is called androgen or testosterone. These androgen hormones also produce secondary sexual characters in a male. The secondary sexual characters of the male is arising the mustache, arising the breeds and broadness of shoulders, crack wise, and hair arises in armpits and surrounding the reproductive organs. So this is, first we teach you that testis is surrounded by the skin. In outerly it is called scrotum. Scrotum. This testis is produce sperm, and these sperms goes to the epididymis with the vasa differentia and injugatory ducts. In these positions, prostate glands and Cowper glands also produce some secretions which mix together with the sperm. It is called semen. Semen. The semen comes by the urethra and one genital organs, pores, after intercourse. This is penis. It is covered with the skin. It is called prepuce. Opening of the prepuce, a glans penis also arises. It is very sensitive portion, like a female. Females having glans penis, it is called glans penis. Female having clitoris. Clitoris is a homologous organ of the glans penis. Because of clitoris also more sensitive organs for the copulation at the time of copulation. So this is the male reproductive organs, and it is structure of sperm. The sperm having 3 parts. First parts, it is called head, and middle part is called neck and tail. Head parts, the front part of the sperm is called acrosome. The head part also having the large nucleus, and the middle parts having the spiral mitochondria, and tail for mobility. Okay, that's all.